All right, prosperation time. All right, when I do what I love, everything follows. All right, somebody said that to me a long time ago. Do what you love. Actually, it was an empath. It was this guy that I met when I was in a network marketing company. And he said, you need to do what you love and everything else will follow. And I was like, okay. But you know, that is so important. It's so important to do what you love, because if you don't do what you love, it does not matter how much money you're going to make. You're not going to be happy. That is the truth. If you're not doing what you love, you're just not going to find the true happiness, you know? And I find that doing what you love makes you find creative ways to prosper. If you're doing something that you can't stand just for the money, it's going to be very challenging to stick with that. So that's all I'm going to say about that. Thank you for watching. Before we close, I want to invite you to join us in exploring the female divinity system using the African Goddess Initiation Manual by Abiola Abrams. We're looking for women who desire to awaken their goddess energies so that they can learn how to love themselves the most, so they can spread their magic all over the planet, so they can manifest the prosperity that is theirs by divine right, and so that they can move on this journey of theirs with ease and on purpose. The goddesses must be awakened. So if you're ready to elevate your life and you want to be a part of this mission, look in the description box or in the profile section and find the link to our sister circle and meet us on the other side.